Hello! And in today's video, we've got this. So we have got this little, oh, right, let's pop that back in, lad, come on. Right, so we have got this Born to This 32 scale mini high speed RC car. And if you're under 7, you can't drive this because you will kill someone. It seems pretty good. I think it's by Extreme Work RC. We'll check that out. On the box, it shows like a monster truck truggy, but instead we've got this thing. Oh, you can't see it. Yeah. So I'm just gonna unbox it. So as you can see, we've got the car unboxed. So let's just open it up. So what we've got is there's a bit of smoke coming out the side. Where's the smoke? Oh, you set the box on fire? Jesus, man. So the remote. So it has the on and off button there, as you can see. When you turn it on, it flashes, and when you turn the car on, it stops flashing, which signals that you have got connection between the radio and the car. And also, it's got a throttle trim here, which is actually very nice. I'm surprised like that. It's actually 2.4 gigahertz. It's actually 2.4 gigahertz. Probably the coolest feature is that it's got a low and high mode. I think that's quite amazing for this price point. Also, it does take 2 AA batteries. Push it back and you go forward, and push it forward and you go back. Whee! And you've got a USB charger. Now, it tells you that it takes around 30 minutes to charge. From running this car completely flat, it took 17 minutes to charge. They claim an 11-minute runtime, and I got 9 minutes runtime, so not too bad of a difference. You got instructions there. That's where they're going. And you got the little car here. So what we've got is all or nothing steering, as you can see there. It doesn't look good there, but when the car actually moves, it's actually very kind of fast and responsive. But what we have got is proportional throttle. So what I can do is I can go slow, or I can go really fast, like that. The reverse throttle for some reason is faster than forward. A bit funky, but as you can see, whee! It's got rubber tyres as well, not plastic, which at this price range you'd kind of think. It's got a bit of rear suspension. It doesn't really do much, to be honest. You've got quite a bit of, look at that, back end action there. And the body you can actually take off, ring there, and there you go. That is the car inside. This is like kind of the body shells that hobby grade RC cars use. My £1,000 RC car uses the same type of body shell, and this car costs about £15. Pretty fancy, if I must say myself. So I'm going to go out now for a run, or my future self is going to go out now for a run. Right guys, got a little track set up, and I got the cat, so let's see what's going on here. Right, it's pretty fast. This is on the high mode. So, so you can make these ramps yourself, because they are just cardboard. Or should that be cardboard, then you know, man's paw. So you can see there, power in low mode. Not too fast. Come back in high mode, this is how fast it is. You see, it's a bit of a difference there. Meow meow. Meow meow. What is it? Do a wheelie then. Oh. Oh. Now, I hope you like that little bit of driving. So if you want to buy this car, there will be a link below to get it. So I've got a couple of things to say about this, good and bad. Good thing, it is quite fast for indoors. It's almost undrivable because it is so fast. But as soon as you take it outside, you realise it's not even that fast. Also, you cannot take these to skate parks, as I have found, because one, skate park ramps are just too big for this. And two, even a little bit dirt gets in the steering system and it jams up. which is what happened to me, so I had to clean it out, and it's all okay now. Oh yeah, another thing. I've had to solder the battery back on because it came unsoldered, but as soon as I've done that, no problems. I mean, good things about this that I can say. I mean, I can't believe it's got, you know, proportional throttle where you can go slow and fast, and I mean, it's got reverse as well. Unfortunately, it's not got proportional steering, but I mean, it's like £15 including shipping, so what do you mean? I mean, the high and low system is actually a really good feature, because if you're giving it to someone new, it's kind of hard to drive, even with me, with a lot of experience. And I actually am a professional stock car racing driver for RC, so not many people know that. If you wanna fight me, I've got the trophy to prove it. So, you know, look at this car, man. It's pretty. Also, if you're wondering about shipping and stuff on this, it came in about a week and a half, so yeah. And they are pretty strong. I've hit walls and stuff. I mean, you can just like do that and it'll be fine. So it's not very brittle plastic. It's actually, well, it does seem brittle, but I mean, dirty landing like that. Oh, that was not great. And it just takes it all. Just takes it. As you can see, takes it. So, pretty good car. You're never going to break it. If you like the video, like it. Please check more content from Clarke's ModRCs. If everyone wonders why it's called Clarke's ModRCs, because I've got an underlying illness. I can't say underlying illness called ADHD, and I can be a bit of a spackhead sometimes. So yeah, so if you wonder why I just say random things sometimes, that is probably why. No. What am I talking about? Anyway, if you like the video, please just like it. It'd be so amazing. And if you're new here, please subscribe, because I'll be doing more reviews like this, because I try and make my reviews as honest as possible, because I'd hate to see people, you know, lose money on a crap car. So, I mean, I think this is pretty good. And I have a £1,000 RC car, so suck on that. Anyway, see you later. Have a good day. See you later, Java.